Today I'm cooking a crispy bitter gourd with salted egg dish. This is a good choice as a side dish for stir-fried meat or curry. This recipe is for 4 servings. Start off with cracking the salted eggs. As these are raw salted eggs, the yolk is usually hardened like this. Scoop the raw salted egg yolk to separate them from the egg white. Put it on the heat-resistant plate or steamer tray. And discard the egg white. Add about 500 ml of water into the steaming pot, a steamer stand, and the salted egg plate. Switch on the heat to medium, cover the pot and steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. Place an anti-slip mat on the counter and a chopping board. Cut 350 grams of bitter gourd. Start with removing the tip at the end and cut it into half and half again vertically. Scoop out all the seeds and the white fibers housing the seed. And repeat with the rest of the pieces. Now cut the bitter gourd into thin slices. All done, leave it aside in a bowl. After 8 minutes, the salted egg yolks are cooked. Switch off the heat and remove them from the pot. Set them aside to rest and cool. Pour 750 grams of cooking oil in the wok. And switch on the heat to medium. Set the time to 10 minutes for the oil to heat up. Next, add 100 grams of homemade crispy flour or any tempura flour to a mixing bowl. Add 125 ml of cold water into the flour or as the instruction on the tempura flour packet and mix until well combined. Add in all the bitter gourd and coat them generously with the flour batter. After 10 minutes, the oil in the wok is very hot and it is ready for frying the bitter gourd. Use a pair of tongs to drop the bitter gourd into the oil one by one. As there is quite a lot, I am cooking it in 2 batches. Fry them for about 5 minutes or until golden brown at the bottom. Flip them and continue to fry for another 4 minutes or until crispy and golden brown on both sides. Alright, this is good. Remove them with a strainer to drip off the oil. And rest them on a cooling rack. Remove all the pieces of flour droplet from the oil before adding another batch. Add the second batch of bitter gourd and repeat the step until they are golden brown all around. Okay, it is done. See, they are very nice and crispy. Remove them from the oil. Switch off the heat and rest together with the first batch. Once the salted egg yolk has cooled down, press and mash them with a fork until very fine and leave aside. Strip the curry leaves from the stem and set them aside. As I am reusing my wok, I am removing all the cooking oil. Alternatively, you can also use another wok if available. Switch on the heat to medium. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil from the previous fry, 40 grams of unsalted butter, and all the curry leaves. Stir for about 30 seconds or until the leaves have curled up. As the cooking oil was hot, the butter melted really fast. Alright, the curry leaves are done. Add all the mashed salted egg yolks and stir quickly until a lot of bubbles form up. like this. Switch off the heat and immediately add the fried bitter gourd. Stir to coat the bitter gourd with salted egg sauce. The oil must be really hot before adding the salted egg yolk, otherwise the foam will not appear. Alright, now the delicious crispy bitter gourd with salted egg dish is ready to be served. I recommend to consume it immediately once cooked for the best experience. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is so good! It's delicious. The bitter gourd is crispy from the outside and soft inside. The salted egg coating softens the bitter flavor, and the curry leaves give an aromatic fragrance to the bitter gourd. This is perfect for the side dish or an afternoon snack. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!